Open the door and be welcomed by the bright and open flow of this home. You will find a split floor plan master and 2 additional bedrooms. The master is large with a roomy ensuite bath perfect for relaxing. The kitchen and dining area open up into a beautiful second family room with vaulted ceilings, surround sound and a fireplace with gas logs. Sit outside on your large deck with golf course views and plenty of room for entertaining. Detached 2-car garage provides extra privacy and offers a large driveway. For more information on this property or a private showing, call Naomi Reyes with Realty One Group. Select 704-774-9710.